Today I'm making a delicious raspberry crumb cake. Welcome to White Shadow Fare. Make it homemade and make it with love. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees and prepare a square baking pan. I like to parchment line mine, but either way, it needs to be greased and floured. In a bowl, add a half a cup of very soft butter. To that, add 3/4 of a cup of granulated white sugar. One egg, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 2½ teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Two cups of flour and 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk. Add a little at each time. Be sure to not overmix this batter. When it appears that the flour is almost all incorporated, stop your beaters and mix the rest in by hand. To this, you're going to fold in 1½ to 2 cups of fresh raspberries. You might be tempted to use frozen raspberries, but they will produce too much water and not bake right in this recipe. So our crumb topping is 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, a half a cup of brown sugar, and a half a cup of melted butter. You're going to mix this, and your crumbs need to be about the size of a pea or larger. And with clean hands, evenly spread this over top of your batter. The cake is done when a toothpick comes out of the center and is clean. So once your cake is cooled, you're going to dust with 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, This would make a fantastic cake for a brunch, a Saturday morning breakfast, something special for your family. It's a great dessert, and think about the fact that you aren't purchasing this from a store. So it's preservative-free, it's mouth-watering. Those little bursts of raspberry are just so delicious. I hope you'll give this one a try. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe. Thank you for joining me here at White Shadow Fare.